A perfect solution for robotic welding fumes. This is the on-site installation of a 5.5Q automatic pulse industrial dust collector, paired with a custom hood with vertical curtains and welding manipulators. Using a 1-to-1 setup, one dust collector matches one welding robot. The enclosed hood prevents fume leakage effectively. The built-in pulse system cleans one filter cartridge every 60 seconds, automatically in a cycle, eliminating the need for frequent manual cleaning. Leave a comment with your factory dust fume type for a professional solution and quotation.